how you can report a profile on Facebook. Now, has anyone been bothering you on Facebook, or has anyone been pretending to be you or your friend on your Facebook? If so, you can just directly go and report them to the Facebook. I'll teach you guys how to do that, but before that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's start. First, open up your Facebook. Now, after you've opened up your Facebook, just search for the person or the profile that's been bothering you. I'm just going to show you guys my friend's profile, and just for an example. And when you go to the profile that you want to report, just tap on the three dots right besides the message option, and after you do that, you will see a lot of different options right there. Now you will see the report profile option too. You can block them too, but if not, just report the profile if it's someone else pretending to be your friend, and just tap on something about this profile, and there you can see if it's a fake account, you can just select that. If it's pretending to be someone, just select that. Now here you can see you can choose a friend or a celebrity, and after you've done that, just select the friend, and after you do that, you can proceed with reporting the profile. And after that, you can even report him or her for fake name or something like that. And after you've done that, this profile will get reported, and if a certain amount of reports are published for this profile will even get deleted. So yeah, that is all for the video. That is how you can report someone's profile in Facebook. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.